Are you looking for the best welding helmet? In this video, we will break down the top 6 welding helmets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Video Wiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Lincoln Viking 3350. The Viking 3350 series is Lincoln Electric's top-line auto-darkening hood. It designed these welding helmets to offer a blend of comfort, versatility, and premium optics. Vision through the glass is as good as it gets on these helmets, with a 1111 optical clarity rating and real-world colors. The design is optimized to distribute weight across the helmet to improve balance and make it feel lighter. This auto-darkening helmet has an adapter to fit onto a hard hat. It comes in colorful styles ranging from racing stripes to robot heads and skull designs. The 1.2-pound weight isn't the lightest helmet on the market, but the big viewing area means more glass, and that adds weight. Everything comes with a cost. Lincoln Electric is one of the most highly regarded welding equipment companies in the business, a favorite of professional welders. View all our Lincoln welding helmet top picks here. At number 2. 3M SPEEDGLAS Welding Helmet. The visibility when wearing this helmet is top drawer. There is excellent clarity and the viewing screen is large with side windows to give you added peripheral vision. If you're working in a busy environment, having added visibility of your surroundings can be a big factor. The helmet's mounting system also brings you close to the lens to help maximize your visibility. It has variable dark shades 5, 8, and 9 to 13, and a light shade 3 with an external button. The SPEEDGLAS has also been designed for comfort. It's lightweight and has 2 adjustable head straps to keep it secure, along with a padded headband and a swivel-mounted smooth ratchet system. The design self-adjusts to your head shape, so you don't need to tighten it as much. Finally, there is additional ventilation on the side which allows your breath to be removed from the hood, and fumes don't enter the hood. This is great for reducing fog, and makes it a lot less stuffy in there, perfect if you're welding for longer periods of time. At number 3. Miller 281,000 Digital Welding Helmet. The Miller Digital Elite is suitable for TIG welding on low amperage, offers a clear view of your work, and comes with a bunch of operating modes that you can switch between as you weld. This helmet features a clear light lens that will give you a natural world color with a regular black tint. Basically, it doesn't have a green or blue tint, but just the sort of tint you'd get from sunglasses except much safer and suitable for welding. The variable shade range combined with the operating modes makes the Digital Elite the perfect choice for the versatile welder. You can go between shades 5 to 8 for cutting and 9 to 13 for different types of welding. Keep in mind that the Miller also comes with an auto-sense feature that's perfect for welders who often change their working environment. This function will detect if you're indoors or outdoors, what the level of light around you is, and adjust the viewing lens accordingly. This auto-darkening welding helmet comes with 4 modes: weld, cut, grind mode, and X mode. X mode is Miller's own inventive contribution to the welding industry that addresses the dangers that may occur if the arc sensors fail to work. At number 4. YESWELDER Darkening Welding Helmet. It comes with a large viewing area of 3.94 inch into 3.66 inch, which is much higher when compared with other options present in this article. You also get a wide shade range of 4/5/9 to 9/13 in this welding helmet that makes it perfect for use with TIG, MIG arc welding, or grinding that can be handy for a lot of users. The great thing about this welding helmet is that it is powered using solar energy. Due to this, you do not have to replace its battery once it runs out. While this welding helmet only has the Amazon replacement battery, it offers a great build quality to the user that is always great to have. You also get various safety standards with this helmet that include ANSI Z87.1, EN 379C, and CSA Z94.3 that make it a highly safe welding helmet. At number 5. Jackson Safety Welding Helmet. This welding helmet has a wide viewing angle of 3.93 feet by 2.36 feet and a variable shade of 9 to 13. Other features include sensitivity and delay adjustments, 4 independent auto-dimming sensors, and easy-to-use digital controls. You can switch from grind and weld modes with this mask, which is suitable for MIG, TIG, and arc welding. It can switch from light to dark in 1/15,000 of a second. The Jackson Safety Welding Helmet meets ANSI Z87.1 Plus standards and is CSA compliant. It is designed and engineered with the Andorran Franks filter that lets us see clear even at various welding environments. This automatic feature allows us to work faster because it has the ability of controlling the lens shade without us manually doing it. At number 6. ANTRA Auto Dark Welding Helmet. ANTRA Welding's Auto Darkening Helmet is the best welding helmet for the money. The solar-powered feature of this helmet means you won't have to constantly worry about battery levels before getting to work. Being so lightweight makes this helmet much more comfortable when wearing it for long periods of time. With variable shade levels from 5 to 13, you'll be equipped to work in any light conditions with any type of welding. Plus, the interference suppression technology works to stop false triggering caused by light sources other than your welding.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.